Alright, welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I have a quick tip for you that's going to really help streamline the research process for the kids in the classroom. So let's jump right in. So this only works in Safari. So I'm in Safari right now and I'm in macrumors.com. It's a website I use all the time. But if you'll notice this website, there is just junk all over the page. And if I'm a student, that's gonna get really confusing of which of this stuff is part of the article, which stuff is pertinent to what I'm looking for, and which stuff is ads. So if you are in Safari, at the top of that page, you'll see on the left-hand side next to the address bar are a bunch of lines. When I touch this, it actually will streamline this article into a PDF form. So now all I see is the pictures, videos, and text that are part of that article. It gets rid of all of the junk around it. Also, what's great is the little A's that are next to it. If I touch that, I can change the font size. So if you're someone who needs a little bit bigger font, maybe you've got some kids with vision issues in the room, that's gonna be super nice. You can also change the background. So for example, I like to read things with a black background. This helps me really see what I'm reading and not strain the eyes. Also, if you have kids who have dyslexia, you might want to choose a font that's a little bit friendlier for kids who have dyslexia. So now that I've got my article, maybe this is the way I like it. Now you can teach the students to save these in notes as PDFs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the share arrow and I get some options. Down here in this bottom bar, I'm gonna scroll just a little bit and you'll see create PDF. When I create this PDF, instantly I'm able to touch the markup tool and I can circle things that are important. I can bring up the highlighter and highlight things I want to save for later. And then when I'm done, I'm going to press the share arrow again and I can actually choose to add this to notes. So when I choose add to notes, I can either choose a note I already have or a new note. Now what's great about this is if I save this to a new note and save, and then I go back and I find another article, I can save that article as a PDF and go ahead and bring it into notes. So now that I'm in my notes, you can see right here, here's that PDF I have. Now what's great about this is I can touch the PDF and actually go into it, add some more markups and things like that. But I also have the opportunity underneath this to still be able to type if something I wanted to, add pictures, write. So Notes is a great thing to show the kids where they can put all of their research all in one place. Hope that quick tip was helpful.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.